So we should get.
Would it be
What's
fun?
up? What?
I seen it in the movie Jingle All the Way.
What?
Like get a train to go around the tree. That'd be so cute.
Yeah.
You know?
I've always seen that too.
I know,
I'm like,
that
I
would look
want a
so nice. Like
train.
to just hear the noise, just
Yeah.
round and round.
Yeah.
Wouldn't it be fun? Like to get a
You
train?
should go to Hobby Lobby
Oh yeah.
or Hobby People actually.
Well, it's the same shit. You know?
No, they're different
Well,
stores.
you know, I know
Okay,
what you mean.
so
Hobby Lobby.
what if we
Remember you
get
said you worked there? Honey?
Hobby Lobby Christmas section at Home Depot? Let's see what do we have. We have the white LED lights, cool white, looks beautiful. Some extension cords
Give me five.
and an indoor
Hey.
big button timer. This is really needed. Good job, babe.
Yeah, I have one
on
for
this.
my reef tank.
For your reef tank?
The nutcracker could go right here, and he'll protect the presents and treats from the Grinch.
Yes, that's a good one. So let's stick to one color theme.
Which is gold, right?
I think we should do the gold because we have a lot of gold ones.
So let's take them out.
These are the final ones, I think, to add in the
Well,
little
let's do
holes.
the big ones then.
So let's do the bigs.
Alright.
Some of them are just wrapped.
I love these shatter resistant ones.
I know, those are the best. Let's try to adorn the
You
front.
passed it?
Yeah! Are you getting all the stars?
And the stamp?
Mommy, you can play with me after.
Yes, after
Where
Papacito.
is
These are beads that go along too. They look pretty.
How do you put it?
It's the same, you wrap it around.
But it's not enough.
There's also red.
Not red. Yeah, I remember last year you put the red on.
Okay, what?
Go.
I love how everything's so organized. Guess that we should organize it every year, babe, huh? Look, these wrapped.
Mm-hmm. It should be.
So let's keep everything